Storytime at Home, presented by the Cincinnati and Hamilton County Public Library.
Hi, my name is Miss Lorie, and I'm a children's librarian in the Outreach Services Department. And today we're going to read the story In the Rain with Baby Duck. In the Rain with Baby Duck by Amy Hest, illustrated by Jill Barton. Pit-pat, pit-a-pat, pit-a-pit-a-pat. Oh, the rain came down. It poured and poured. Baby Duck was mad. She did not like walking in the rain, but it was Pancake Sunday, a duck family tradition, and Baby loved pancakes. And she loved Grandpa, who was waiting on the other side of town. Pit-pat, pit-a-pat, pit-a-pit-a-pat. Follow us, step lively. Mr. and Mrs. Duck left the house arm in arm. Wet feet, wailed Baby. Don't dally, dear. Don't drag behind, called Mr. Duck. Wet face, pouted Baby. Water in my eyes. Mrs. Duck pranced along. See how the rain rolls off your back? Mud, muttered Baby. Mud, mud, mud. Don't dawdle, dear. Don't lag behind. Mr. and Mrs. Duck skipped ahead. They waddled, they shimmied, and they hopped in all the puddles. Baby dawdled. She dallied and pouted and dragged behind. She sang a little song. I do not like the rain one bit, splashing down my neck, baby feathers soaking wet. I do not like this mean old day. Oh, are you singing? Called Mr. and Mrs. Duck. What a fine thing to do in the rain. Baby stopped singing. Grandpa was waiting at the front door. He put his arm around Baby. Wet feet? He asked. Yes, Baby said. Wet face? Grandpa asked. Yes, Baby said. Mud? Asked Grandpa. Yes, Baby said. Mud, mud, mud. I'm afraid the rain makes Baby cranky, clucked Mr. Duck. I've never heard of a duck who doesn't like rain, worried Mrs. Duck. Is that a fact? Grandpa kissed Baby's cheeks. Grandpa took Baby's hand. Come with me, Baby. They went upstairs to the attic. We are looking for a tall green bag, Grandpa said. Oh, let's help Baby find it. Let's start and look left to right and see if we can find it. There it is, right here. A tall green bag. I wonder what's inside. Finally, they found it. Inside was a beautiful red umbrella. There were matching boots, too. These used to be your mother's, Grandpa whispered. A long time ago, she was a baby duck who did not like the rain. Baby opened the umbrella. The boots were just the right size. Baby and Grandpa marched downstairs. My boots, cried Mrs. Duck, and my bunny umbrella. No, mine, said Baby. You look lovely, said Mrs. Duck. Mr. Duck put a platter of pancakes on the table. After that, Baby and Grandpa went outside. Pit-pat, Pit-a-pat, pit-a-pit-a-pat. Oh, the rain came down. It poured and poured. Baby duck and grandpa walked arm in arm in the rain. They waddled, they shimmied, and they hopped in all the puddles. And Baby Duck sang a new song. I really like the rain a lot, splashing my umbrella. Big red boots on baby feet. I really love this rainy day. Wasn't that a fun story? It's time to do a song. I thought we could do a song about ducks. And we need 5 of them. So can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little ducks. 5 little ducks went out to play over the hills and far away, till the mother duck called quack, quack, quack. And 4 little ducks came running back. 4 little ducks went out to play over the hills and far away, till the mother duck called quack, quack, quack. And 3 little ducks came running back. 3 little ducks went out to play over the hills and far away, till the mother duck called quack, quack, quack. And 2 little ducks came running back. 2 little ducks went out to play over the hills and far away, till the mother duck called quack, quack, quack. And 1 little duck came running back. 1 little duck went out to play over the hills and far away, till the mother duck called quack, quack, quack. But no little ducks came running back. No little ducks, that's 0, isn't it? Yes. No little ducks went out to play over the hills and far away, till the mother duck called quack, quack, quack. And all 5 little ducks came running back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you next time. Bye.
Get free books in the mail. Sign up today. Go to Ohio Imagination Library.org to find out more.